some brook trout. We have some trout magnets here. A little of this. Colton, you want to show what you're using?
Spinner. A white one.
And then Adeline, what are you going to catch trout with?
Alright guys, yep, like she was saying, we hiked back to the creek in Allegany State Park, and we're going to try to catch some brook trout. Trout really aren't all that big. They're typically about 6 to 8 inches. That's about as big as they grow in these creeks. So we'll see what we can do here. Get back at you when we catch some fish. I got the same thing on here. I got a little white with a black head trout magnet. So we'll see what colors work. I got a whole bunch of different colors with me today. And like they were saying, we got some spinners and a bunch of different lures that we could try. But typically things like this work pretty good here. So we're gonna hike way back. We're gonna try to find some little pools back here that the trout are holed up in. Just kind of looking over the edge here to see where some holes are. We got some real good holes right down here, guys. See them? We're gonna try those. This one right here too, but it's pretty steep, so we might have to hike around. So let's try these. Got some in this hole. We'll try to see if we can get them. Oh, I just had one right. Oh, I had him right here. He came out and hit it twice. He's right there at the base of that piece of wood. Yeah, it was like right about there. Yep, definitely went in there. They love to get under these sticks and stuff, but they spook. If they hit once or twice, that's it. They shut off. They won't come back. So what we'll do is we'll let it calm down. We'll come back. Maybe since we know this spot has one in it. He's probably like a little 5-incher. Some of these spots are real hard to get into. But there's definitely some little trout in there. He just had a couple bites, he says.
Oh, see? Got him.
Oh, I saw him.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep jigging.
Where'd he go? Can't see it. Got him. Oh.
Did he hit it again?
Yeah.
Alright, Colton's got one as soon as I turned my back. Did ya? Nice, buddy. Let me make my way over to you. See what you got.
No, no.
Very nice. It's a little brook trout. Yep. Good one. Nice little fish, okay? Why don't you stick him back in before he dies, okay? Nice slow. Okay, there you go. Did you have one?
Yeah.
It came out that side right there. One's just had it. Yep. I think. Is it a trout? Let's see him. Yep, he's another little baby brookie. Hey, show the camera.
That scared me.
Yep,
It
nice
jumped,
little
like,
one.
So hard, like it was even bigger.
Look at that mushroom head. Huge mushroom.
It's a really big mushroom.
She got one. It's a small one. It's such a small little baby, but it's a cool little fish.
Yeah, it is cool.
It's a nice little, tiny little brook trout. Yeah. Look, Mommy caught a little trout.
Yeah, hurry
Sure.
up. There you go. Hold him right side up. There he goes.
That's a really good spot, babe. Gotta be some in there. Did you see him? You saw him? Oh.
All right, second brookie of the day. This one's a little bit bigger than my little last stink.
That's a nice one, baby.
Yep.
Wow.
There he is.
Yeah.
Got him.
Oh, no. Well, he self-released all the way back into the creek. Almost grabbed him, but he just went too quick. He's underneath that rock right now. There was a nice big, there was a male, a big colorful male. Good one.
You got one? Bite?
It fell off and it rolled all the way back in. I know, it was a big one too. Yeah, guys, there's got to be a whole bunch in this hole. We just can't spook them. Colt says he sees one over there too, in that hole. All right, guys, we got a nice little spot here where we think there's a few down in the rocks. We're gonna drop the trout magnet in and see what happens. Oh, we had one.
They're so fast, like you can tell.
That one, oh, I had him. I had him. Colton's got one. Up there. Can you see him? Oh, it's a small one, huh? Oh, that's a cute little one. Good job, buddy. We'll set him in real nice and slow. Yep. Set him in real nice and slow, okay? You got him down there?
Yeah.
Is that where you got him?
Oh, see?
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta see him. Let's see him, buddy. Yeah, good job. There's a bunch in here.
Look at that.
Let me see him. Show the camera over here, okay? That's a really nice fish. Good job. Nice little brook trout.
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture.
Go. Hey, yep. Get it right in there. That's a nice one. Did you get him? Okay, go easy on him. Go easy. Good job. Yeah, you want to keep that one? We're going to eat a couple of these guys, so he wants to take a couple home to the campsite. We'll eat them on the fire. Cook them up with some butter. They're really delicious. Pretty good. All right, we're going to try to pop in here a little bit more and see if we can pick up a couple more. Good one. We'll keep that one too. Keep a couple of these to eat with my sons. It's a nice little one. Look at that. All right, so we ate a few of these last night and they were delicious. So I think we've caught about 10 of them and we've released all the other ones except the last few. So we're gonna take a couple of these home, and my son is really looking forward to cooking some over the fire tonight. So it's a nice little brook trout. Look guys, let's see if we can get a couple more here. Just kind of popping the trout magnet in all these little holes here. They like to hide underneath these rocks. Just drop it in each hole. If they don't come out in a matter of seconds, there's no trout in there. Typically. This looks real good right here. Try this one. And there's a trout. Just like that. There's a nice little one. Colton's got a little trout stick going. Which way do you want to put them on? That way?
Yeah.
Through the gill? Okay. Might be too big of a stick, but we'll make it work. There you go. There you go. You got. Show the camera.
I caught this one, and Dad caught these two.
Yep. Nice little stringer or stick of trout.
I'm gonna watch this
Brook
one.
trout.
It's super dirty.
Yep.
And then we can take a picture with all of them.
All right, so we caught about 10 or so little brookies, and we got 3 right now that we decided to keep. These are native trout. They're not stocked. They do stock browns in a few of these streams, but this is not one of them. So they naturally reproduce, and they do pretty good, obviously, because every hole we go to, there's several trout in them. We're really having a fun time down here, so some of these streams really do have a lot of trout in them. It's a good time. So, all right, meeting back up with the rest of the family here, and we're gonna get out of here. So.